Hello everybody. I'm finally getting around to opening up and unboxing my pressure canner slash cooker that, believe it or not, I bought in August of last year, August 2020, from Lehman's. I may not be pronouncing it right. I wanted to actually show me taking it out of the box, but it's extremely heavy. This top is very heavy. Oh my. And so it's a two-handed thing. But this is all the pieces that came with it. This is the top. And as you can see, it has the pressure gauge. These are the racks. The instruction manual. The congratulations from Lehman's. This is the regulator weight. I haven't opened that yet. I'll open that in just a second. And this is the actual pot itself. And it's huge. See, it's deep. This is a 21.5 quart. And this is the box it came in. Now, when I ordered this in August of 2020, they were on back order, so it took me quite a while to get it. When I looked online the other day, it looks like they're in stock, and they're not on back order. So if you need one, now might be the time to get it. And I'm trying to remember exactly how much I paid for this thing. Let me look on the receipt right quick. Sorry about that, guys. Does it say how much I paid for it? I'm looking on this receipt. Order summary. No, it does not. I want to say it was right at $300, something like that. It was pretty pricey, but I have no regrets whatsoever about getting it. And so this is all the pieces. And my next step is to cook the ground meat, not all the way, because according to all the videos, you just basically pre-cook it and get ready to can it. And I'm going to familiarize myself with this thing a little bit, and then I'll get started and do another short video. Oh, let me open this. I said I was going to open this. If I can. Hold on. I'll just let y'all look at this while I try to open this. Okay. This is the pressure regulator weight. Oh, this is this thing. And it has markings for 5, 10, 15 PSI. Alrighty. So I will get back to you. Bye-bye.